Namaste. Welcome to Shailaji.com. I'm Shaila Vasunath. Today I'll be doing a video on Barakhadi, the next part. But before that, let us start with our quiz. The answers for the quiz, yes, the first one, it is Ghoshna. Ghoshna means announcement. Announcement, Ghoshna. The next one, Gufa. Okay, Gufa. Gu and Fa. Gufa, cave. Cave. The next one is two strokes on top with a dot. Kanchi. Kanchi. Kanchi means scissors. Okay, Kanchi. The next one, it is O Matra. So it is Khopdi. 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 Skull. Okay, Khopdi. The next one, Kutia. Kutia, hut. Hut. Jhompdi also we say. Kutia also we say. Kutia is hut. So we have completed it. Now we are going to start our next letter. But you would have seen the letter Cha there. You might be wondering, oh, she's forgotten one letter. No, I have not forgotten. In the first row, we have 5 letters. In that, I had done only 4. So you might be wondering why I have not touched the 5th letter. Yes, 5th letter is just a letter where we use it for only dot. We don't, if you would have seen my consonants and all, you would have known. We use it, we substitute it only as a dot. We don't use that letter anywhere in any word. In that case, why will we have any words for it? So we don't have any words, so that's it. So we'll go to the next row, the second row. The first row was Ka row, and Ka varg fully we finished 4 letters. The next 4 letters we'll be doing in that. This is the first letter, Cha. Okay, Cha. Now let us go to this. When I started with the letter Ka, I had given you how it is, how that letter has been formed. That is the Barakhadi, how it is joined and made. So that, I think I don't know whether you remember in the first letter Ka. So thinking that you might not remember, or it could be a kind of a recap, I have again written over here for you to understand in this row also. So let us go with this. The first letter is Ch. Ch. Okay, this one with the letter and you know doesn't have any symbol. So again that same letter will be used as a Cha, and Cha letter, how it is, like for example you use the word church. Church. The next one, churn. Okay, you churn, no, for buttermilk you churn. So that is churn. Now the first letter, let us go for it. Chameli. Chameli. Chameli means jasmine. Jasmine flowers, no? That one, jasmine. The next one is chappal. Okay? Chappal. Chappal, slippers, chappal. Next one, chammach. Chammach. Spoon. Okay? Spoon is chammach. Next letter is chashma. Okay? Chashma. Chashma, spectacles or specs. So it is, or there's another word called anak. Okay? The little ones would have read it as a anak, right? But here, there's another word for specs. It is chashma. We don't say anak. In regular usage or the colloquial Hindi, we use only chashma. We don't say anak utao. We say chashme utao. So chashma nikalo. So that only we say. So chashma is spectacles or specs. The next letter, this is again ch plus a. This is the symbol for A, and the letter is Cha. See, I've given here CHAA, so it is Cha. Let us think of the words which would be sounding that way. Chart. Okay, chart paper. You use a lot of chart paper for your projects and all, right? So chart. The next one, charger. For phone. Phone ke liye hum charger use karte hain na, so that is charger. The next one, charmer. Snake charmer, have you heard? So that is charmer. Okay, so now let us go for the words here. Chaku. Okay, chaku, knife. Next, chai. Chai, tea. The next one, chabhi. Chabhi means chabi, key. Keys are called chabi. The next one, chawal. Chawal, rice. Rice is chawal. Let us go to the next one again. Ch plus I. The symbol is here and the letter chi. C-H-I, chi. The words like chicken, chili. So now you know how you have to pronounce these words. Chili, chicken. How short the first letter sounds. Same way, chidiya, chidiya. Chidiya, bird. Chitti, chitti. Okay, chitti, letter. You would have read patra also. So there are khat also you would have read. When you read two letter words, you would have learnt as khat, patra. Those are also letters. Chitti also is letter. In that, if you see, patra is Sanskrit, khat is Urdu, chitti is Hindi. See how many different languages you are learning. Okay. Now let us go to the next one. Chitrakar. Chitrakar means artist, any kind of artist. So all that, anything, an artist. Chitrakar, the painter, all who paints, no? They are all called Chitrakar. The next one, Chidiya Ghar. Chidiya Ghar. You would have seen here bird and Chidiya Ghar. So you think a place where a bird lives? No. Chidiya Ghar is a word which means zoo. Okay, zoo. Z-O-O, zoo. The next one, ch and e. So the letter, the symbol is the side, then it is chi, C-H-E-E. Now let us go to these English words, cheek. Okay, cheek, cheese. You know the cheese, right? Which you put on the pizzas and all that, cheese. Then cheetah. You know the animal cheetah. Now the words here, chiku, it's a fruit. Okay, chiku, you say sapota, it is chiku. The next one is cheel, it's a bird, it is called kite. Not the kite which we fly, no, not that one. This is cheel, that is kite, or sometimes in some kind of a breed you call it as eagle also, but generally it is kite. The next one, chini. Chini means sugar. There's another word for it which we say shakkar. Okay, shakkar is chini. The next word is chinti. Chinti means ant. Okay, chinti, ant. Let us go to the next few letters. This is ch, u, and then the symbol for it, this is chu. So this the letter also chu. I have given the word chukkad. Chukkad means an earthen pot kind of thing, a small one, in which you will have milk or tea, coffee, all that you drink. A small earthen pot, that is called chukkad. The other one is chumbak. Chumbak means magnet. Okay, magnet is chumbak. Next one, chukandar. Chukandar is beetroot. Beetroot is chukandar. The next one, chutkula. Chutkula is joke. So people tell jokes, no? So that is chutkule means jokes. Chutkula, joke. The next one will go ch plus oo. The symbol is this, and you have got the letter here with the symbol chu, C-H-O-O. The first one I have given chuha. Chuha, rat or mouse. Okay, chuha, rat or mouse. The next one, churna. Churna means any kind of powder form is called churna. Chula. Chula means stove. Stove is chula. The gas fire or stove is called chula. The next one, chuhedani. Chuhedani means rat trap, where it's that is called where you trap it, no? So that is called chuhedani. The next one, chri. We don't have any letters for the words for that. So I've just given the word with the symbol here. That is, you have this re down, and the pronunciation is chri. Chri. Okay, C-H-R-I, chri. Let us go to the next one. It is half letter ch with A matra. The symbol is here, the stroke on top. When you write A, you will have only one stroke, and then when you go to the next letter, with the consonant and the matra together, it is che. The letter A sound, the matra there with one stroke. The first letter is chehra. Chehra is face. Chetavni. Chetavni is caution, alert. It's caution. Chetavni. Here you see here how I've given you some words how to pronounce them. Like for example, this letter how it sounds: chase, change, check, check, check. So that sound A, check. Now here the next one, the half sound of ch, then a. Okay, here it is a. There's already one stroke. Here you have a stroke, but here already in the matra, it's in the vowel itself you have a stroke. So when it comes over here, you will give two strokes. Here there is no stroke at all, you will give one. Here already for the vowel you have a stroke. So when it comes to the symbol, you give two strokes. So here you have, for the consonant on top, you have two strokes. That is cha. Okay, cha. It is channel. In English you say no, C-H-A-N-N-E-L. So that is channel. Then you have chan. Chan. Okay, chan means relief or peace, comfort, taking rest. So that kind of thing is chan, comfort or relief, peace. The next word I've given is chaitra. Chaitra is a month which comes around April, May, that is chaitra. The next one, the half letter of cha, then o. Okay, the stroke is, you have a matra here and a stroke on top. So when it comes with the consonant, it is o sound. So cho, cho, cho. I have given here chores, like household chores. No, you do all the work at home. That's called chores. And the other one is chores. Chores, chores. Now see here the word chot. Chot means wound. Okay, W-O-U-N-D. When I did my previous video on gha, I told ghayal. So that time I had mentioned about the word chot. Ghayal also means wound. Chot also is wound. Next one, chor. Chor means thief. Okay, thief is called chor. Robber, thief, the person who steals. Then choti. Choti has got two meanings. One is the peak, mountain peak you have, no, that is called choti. Another one is braid or plait. So that also is called choti. So one meaning choti is the mountain peak. Another choti meaning is the plaited hair is called choti. So two meanings. Next letter, the half sound, that is ch plus a, that has got one line and two strokes. It is chaw. Okay, chaw, like chow chow. You have chow mein. You would have had some noodles, no, chow mein, like chow chow. So like that. Here the words are chowkidar. Chowkidar is watchman or guard. So or constable. So they are called chowkidar. Then the next one is chaubis. Chaubis, 24. 24 is chaubis. Next one, the letter half with ang. The symbol is here, only a dot on top of the line. So this is the letter cha and top of that line, chang. So here chanda. Okay, chanda. Chanda means moon. Next one, changul. Changul means clutches. You hold something and it will hold like this, no, tight, and it will be so tight you cannot release it. So that is clutch. Clutch or clutches. That is changul. Now the last one, the half cha with the aha letter. The symbol is the two dots on the side. So it is chaha, but you don't have any letters for that. So I have not given you. I have given the quiz, just 4 words. And 4 words of the same cha letter. Find out what are the matras which will come with these. Damn easy they are. You people have all mastered the letters and the bara khadi, so I think It is very easy for you people. Try it, and I know you won't fail in it. You will do it wonderfully, by giving all the answers right. So with this, I would like to end the video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get my latest notification. Until then, namaste.